And to explain how Ansible works, first we will launch an EC2 instance called Ansible machine, and we will install Ansible on it. Then we will create key pair on the Ansible machine and use the key pair to establish SSH connection between the Ansible machine and the servers we want to configure. To establish an SSH connection, we will also create a security group that allows SSH access between the Ansible machine and the servers. Next, we will launch 3 EC2 instances. These are the servers we will configure with Ansible and we will install the website on. We will create an Ansible playbook. A playbook contains a list of commands, also called tags, that we want to run on the servers. Next, we will also create an inventory file. And an inventory file contains the private IP address of the instances we want to configure and execute the playbook. And the last thing we will do is create the Ansible configuration file. The configuration file contains all the configuration Ansible we use during the runtime.